Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. This morning I'm gonna make a smoothie. I have some blueberries in my cup here. I'm gonna go ahead and wash those. I'm gonna add a little baking soda to the water. And I'll let them sit for about 5 minutes. And here's the baking soda. I always keep baking soda on my counter because I'm always eating a bunch of fruit. And I wash my fruit and tomatoes and all of that in the baking soda and water. So let me let that sit while I gather the other ingredients. Add 1 banana. And every morning we have 1 apple, 1 orange, and a tangerine for our fruit every morning. And some mornings I will add cantaloupes or what other fruits I have. I eat a lot of sweet potatoes, so I'm gonna add probably 4 sweet potatoes to the oven so I can have that today. If I get hungry, that's what I will snack. It's been about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain this water off my blueberries. Added some more water so I can rinse them off again. Get that baking soda off my berries. So the ingredients that I'm gonna use this morning in my smoothie, I have some frozen spinach there, some dates. I have to take the seeds out of those dates. I have some almond butter with no added oil to it, and my soy milk, nutritional yeast, and also my flaxseed mix here. I'm gonna add that to it, along with the banana and blueberries. So let me get started. Okay, add my banana, my blueberries, and I'm gonna add my 3 dates. I remove the seeds. I'm gonna add my flaxseed. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of the mixed flax seeds and chia seeds. Okay, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of almond butter. There's no sugar, no oil added, just all natural almond butter. I'm gonna use about a cup of spinach. And this is frozen. You can use fresh if you like. This is fresh as well. Okay. All right, it's good for you. Got to mention, I use about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I like that cinnamon taste. Use about a half a cup of soy milk, and the soy milk got 9 grams of protein. The almonds had protein in it as well as the spinach, and also the chia seeds. So I usually have this for breakfast when I'm trying to lose a little weight. And it really works. It sheds the pounds really fast. It'll give me a lot of energy as well. Pour it in here. And and let me start the blender. I drink this every morning until I shed the pounds I want. And then I will start eating oatmeal and oatmeal flaxseed mix, almond milk, no, not almond milk, soy milk, and dates in my oatmeal, after I lose the weight I need to lose. So there it is. Okay, I'm gonna place it in my favorite glass container here. This tastes delicious and it's so healthy for you. Every time I drink this, I don't know, it's just something about it. It makes my skin glow and I just feel so energized. So you have to try this drink if you're trying to lose weight or just want your skin to be just smooth and beautiful and energize your body. Go for it, okay? All right. This is all good. I have a glass straw, everything is beautiful. You have to make stuff look beautiful for yourself. Let me taste it. So good.